Ballard? Have you any of that bread? What are you doing here?
I'm working. Are you going in at all today?
No. Has Rona called? She always does this on my day off. Every time I need to just spend...
need you. No one needs you.
Ow.
No, I just... As you were.
What? What?
I might have done something completely unforgivable.
Darton Biolab Genetics.
Okay. I stole them leg hairs from Bear.
And I sent them off with your toothbrush.
Sent them to these people. So this just tells me one way or the other. Couldn't keep your noses out, could you? This is the opposite of what I wanted, and you had no right!
I should never have interfered.
I did it too. I gave her his leg hairs.
You already opened it.
Well, Charity grabbed it.
Does that mean Charity knows whether he's my dad or not?
No, because the only person who should open that is you, Paddy.
But I told you, I didn't want to know, because it makes no difference to me.
Okay. Sorry. I'm an idiot and I should never have crossed the line.
He's me dad.
Oh, Paddy. You okay? Why would he lie?
Because he doesn't want anything to do with me. I did ask you to leave it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Marlon. I don't want any more apologies. I can't be doing with them.
What? No, I don't. Rona's been in an accident. Some sort of crash over at Moira's. I don't really... She's in hospital. I have to go.
Is she okay?
Vanessa isn't sure she got a message off
Come on.
Matty.
Paddy?
I'll drive.